so you've got a smartphone filled with your favorite tunes. You put a case on your phone to protect it from scratches, but now your 3.5mm audio cable won't fit into the headphone jack. Now what? Now you get one of these 3.5mm cables designed for mobile devices. The 3.5mm connectors on this cable are designed with a 3mm long by 6mm diameter shank between the electrical connection and the connector housing. The 3mm shank length is sufficient to penetrate through the thickness of any protective case, while the 6mm diameter is thin enough to fit into the hole of any case. The connectors are gold-plated for smooth corrosion-free connections. This cable has a 3.5mm stereo male plug on one end and a pair of stereo RCA plugs on the other, allowing you to connect your mobile device to your home audio system. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality at a great price. Great quality cable easily comparable with much more expensive brands. Sounds fantastic, and built solidly, so it should stand up to years of use and abuse. If you like money, but also like quality gear, this is for you. If, on the other hand, you call this an interconnect, it's probably not for you. Edit. I have since read several reviews saying these don't last. I have at least 3, one which has traveled constantly for 5 years and is used in a live audio application. I've had 0 issues with any of them. Keep in mind, if you abuse anything, it will break eventually.